You have also sworn to serve the people. I didn't hear any one of you swear to serve their friends or their families or their regions or their religions. Each one of us here has sworn to serve the people of Kenya. That is the minimum expected of all of us. And you have sworn to advise the president, your appointing authority, as is required of you by the Constitution. I look forward to listening to you and your advice so that we can manage the affairs of our nation, because even though I stand here as president, I do not have the monopoly of all knowledge. I expect that you will enrich the plans, the thoughts, the programs, and the plan we have with your advice. The third thing I want to say is that while listening to you take your oath of office, let me repeat again, you have been